very crispy. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook chicken popcorn to cheer up the children because they have been in the house for so long. So some delicious snack kind of food will surely can cheer up the children at home. So I have 450 grams of boneless chicken, cut it into cube, 1 egg, quarter teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of salt, Gogi tempura flour. This is breadcrumb and some ice cube. This is very simple. First, I like to start off with beat the egg first. Just going to lightly beat the egg first, like that. Okay, then we're going to marinate the chicken. I'm going to marinate the chicken in the large tray. The salt, I just put about half of the salt, and then pepper, and then again putting the salt. We don't need to put a lot of salt because the Gogi tempura flour already have some seasoning. Alright, chicken is marinated, and then I'm going to put the ice cube on the chicken. You want the chicken to be cold. Just leave it like that for about 1 or 2 minutes. Alright, after 1 minute, the ice has already melted, and now we're going to remove the ice from the chicken. Notice that the chicken now is quite cold. The idea of putting the ice is we want the chicken to be ice cold before we putting in the Gogi tempura flour. I'm going to put in about 3 tablespoons of tempura flour on the chicken. The third one, I just put it here first. We want to mix it first. We want to coat the chicken with the flour nicely. Alright, all the chicken is coated with the flour. And now we're going to pour the egg over it. So the chicken is coated with flour and also coated with egg, and I'm going to leave it here to soak for about 1 or 2 minutes. Then after that we can do a next step. Alright, now we have soaked the egg and the flour for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to coat it with breadcrumb. We use a lot of breadcrumb. If it's not enough, just make sure all the chicken pieces are dry. Make sure the chicken pieces are dry and coated with breadcrumb. We do it this way, we won't be much wasted for the breadcrumb. Okay, it's ready. Now we can go and fry it. Alright, I have prepared the hot oil. So we're going to fry the chicken. The oil is really very hot. Some is already cooked. I'm going to take it out first. Alright, the chicken is cooked. We just want the color is to be like this. Don't want to cook until it's very brown, because once it come out from the pan, right? Once it come out from the oil, it will still continue to cook. And we're just gonna take it out. My children is gonna be so happy today. Very crispy. Perfect. Let's eat. Wow, it looks so good and the smell is awesome. I'm just gonna take this one. It's so crispy. Look from the inside. The chicken is cooked perfectly. Wow, delicious, very tasty. It's crispy from the outside, inside is tender, and the chicken is cooked perfectly. It's really nice. You can even eat it on its own. It's already delicious. If you want, you can just dip it in the chili sauce. Lovely. This kind of food, children will love it. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.